Hi, welcome to Juno's Daily Stretches. I am happy because it's a beautiful day. You're going to start by standing up or kneeling. You're going to put one arm on your shoulder and the other arm and pull it back. And now switch it again, the other arm on your shoulder and pull it back. You're gonna put one arm straight, pull it, and twist your body. Now the other arm. Now you're gonna twirl your arms around, spin them backwards, very tiny. Bit bigger, so they're very big. Do not drop your arms. Now the other way. Bit bigger and big. Now put them in, up, straight, out, in, up, straight, out, in, up, straight, out. In, up, straight, out. Do it as fast as you need. In, out, straight, up. In, out, straight, up. Now shake them out. Now sit down. And you're going to put one leg out, put one leg over, and twist your body. Now do the other leg, put the other leg out, the other side, twist it over and stretch. Okay, now you're going to do a head roll. You're going to roll your head to the one side and to the other. One side to the other. Put it straight, look up, look straight, look down, look straight, look to the side, look straight, look down. Side. Look straight, look up, down, look straight, up, straight, side, straight, down, straight, up, straight, side. Okay, thank you for doing Juno's Daily Stretches with me. See you next time, bye!